Bruchim Abayim. Welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Levi in the sacred Hasidic text Kedushas Levi. This week's Parshas Vayera. In the book of Genesis, chapter 18, verse 5, it says, that therefore you passed by upon thy servant in order to eat and drink. The Kedushas Levi says, L'chayra, it seems, Ein zederech sheyamar balabais l'reach l'zeb wasei l'sareich le'echel etzli. It seems that this doesn't seem to be a normal path of how people operate. It doesn't seem to be very polite that a host is going to tell his guest, oh, you came here so you can eat. So the answer of what this means is that all the angels receive their energy from the commandments that the Israelites perform. But here, since God took the sun out, Abraham, our patriarch, was prevented from performing the mitzvah, the precept of welcoming guests. And he held back the energy from the higher angels. That's why it says, that's why you passed by your servant, that I should be able to do a mitzvah. I can perform the precept of welcoming guests in order to give you energy to the angels. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you later.